want to introduce you to this YAMATIC garden hose that we just recently received. This is a 50-foot version. This is a really nice hose. These are very durable, very strong. This is how it comes packaged. I wanted to show you that. These are really nice because you don't have to kink them to get to hook up another hose. The way the fittings are set up, these fittings are super nice, nice brass fittings. I'm gonna unravel this, kind of show you what it looks like and how it works. But this is a really nice garden hose. These hoses are really unique in the way this brass fitting is set up. It might be tough to see when you're on here, but the inner brass doesn't move. It's just the outside. Unlike a conventional hose where you have to twist the whole hose to be able to line it up onto another one, this one on both ends, this one might be able to, you'll be able to see it. You can see that this turns, but the inside doesn't. Therefore, you don't have to kink it to be able to hook it up to another hose. Where the old traditional style is it's one single piece and you have to turn the whole hose when you're trying to connect them together. And this is a really nice system. You know how this turns, you don't have to try and turn the whole hose. It's just a matter of moving that brass around. It's just a matter of hooking it on. You can see that there's no water coming out. I don't have to try and turn the hose, I just turn the brass and then that's good. And then it's coming out on the other end already. It's such a nice durable hose. I like the way that coupler is set up. It's really nice, it's really easy. Might be one of the last hoses you buy, or at least the brand you're always buying. I really like it a lot. Hope you guys enjoyed as much as I do. Thanks for watching.